Half day YouTube, it's your boy Jeremy from Cherry Auto Detailing. I know it's been a while. We've just been super slammed at the shop, but I will be starting our videos back up again. And today we're going to start it off with a 2025 Nissan Rogue in for Super Ceramic Window Tint, also known as IR Ceramic Window Tint. The brand we're using is GeoShield. GeoShield is a very great brand. They call this line Apex Ultra, which is their super ceramic window film. It blocks out 95% of heat, backed with a lifetime warranty against the delaminating, turning purple, peeling, all that good stuff. And if you guys want something that's super durable, long lasting, then I recommend changing from traditional dyed film to super ceramic window film, because this window film is a game changer, and that's the reason why we're offering it, is because it actually designed to block out heat and it keeps your car cooler and is backed with a lifetime warranty. So I highly recommend it. I have it on all my cars and I love it. So at the moment for this particular vehicle, the owner wants to match the rear factory glass. The rear factory glass is roughly 20% VLT, and we're gonna put 20% on the two front doors only, so that way we don't alter shades on the rear. What we're gonna apply on the rear is called Apex Ultra 70% VLT, meaning clear. And to understand these types of shades and terminologies and all that, so the higher the number, the clearer the film, the lower the number, the darker the film. And that's how you determine on whether you want like a dark film on your vehicle or a light film on your vehicle. Like I mentioned, we're trying to make this car look uniform, so we're gonna make it look 20% VLT all the way around. That's by putting 70% on the rear so we don't alter the shades. And then we're gonna apply 20% on the two front doors to include the eyebrow. The eyebrow is that upper portion windshield stripe or windshield strip on the upper portion of the windshield. If you know the right terminologies for it, put it down in the comments below. I'd love to get the correct answer so I can, help our customers understand what that area is called. Curing process for window film is about 5 to 7 days. In Guam, depending on how hot it is, it can cure in about 3 days, but it has to be very hot. And if you guys are interested in any of our services, window tinting, ceramic coating, we also offer commercial and residential window tinting, give us a call. Head to the description down below. You'll find all our contact information down there, our Google Map location, so that way you know exactly where we are and what we offer. We also have a website, so check that out as well. Definitely help you and guide you into that right detailing service that you are looking for. This is the area I was talking about. I call this the eyebrow area. Some people call it the windshield strip, windshield stripe. It's that 6 to 8 inch windshield strip that goes on this upper portion of the windshield. If you guys know it, put it down in the comments. It'll definitely help me out. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. I will be doing more videos like this where it's just us kind of working and explaining what we're doing. I feel it's better that way so people can actually see how we get things done. At the end of the video, we'll be showing the end results of how this 2025 Nissan Rogue looks with that 20% VLT all the way around. Like I mentioned, if you want something like this, or if you want something darker, or you need help figuring out what's best for you for the visibility, especially at night, give us a call. We are here to help guide you and pick that right shade for you and make sure that everyone understands what they're getting, so that the way there's no ifs, ands, or buts. My name is Jeremy, and like I said, at the end of the video, we'll show you the end results. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all on the next video.